So let's take you back then to the High Court in Pretoria. And Newzroom Afrika's Juniour Khumalo was there. He was inside court watching these proceedings unfold and was also there listening to the NPA. Junior, any word on whether the Speaker's legal team is going to appeal this?
Good morning, Iman. There's still no word from the Speaker's legal team on whether they're going to appeal this or not. We tried to get a comment from them, but they say that we should try and get a comment from the Speaker herself or any advisor that she has. So they did not want to speak to us as they were leaving the court. They said they were not given the permission to speak. But we did speak to the NPA, who through the spokesperson said that they also cannot confirm whether now she can be arrested or not. They say they do not speak about any processes regarding an imminent arrest on any individual with the media. But the expectation is that the Speaker had indicated that her legal representative, Mr. Stephen May, would actually be back from Durban, because he was in Durban covering a different case. He would actually be back today, and he will then be available to go with the Speaker to the police station tomorrow. So we're not sure whether that is still going to happen, because we asked the NPA and they say they cannot confirm nor deny that this will be able to happen. But just on the merits of the case, the judge said that there was no agency to the matter because the agency was self-inflicted. Also, the processes through which the Speaker and her legal team made the application, they did not follow due processes. So those are some of the reasons that she gave as to why this agent application was not successful. And now, basically, the NPA can arrest her at any point, or she can present herself to the police station to avoid that imminent arrest. She said that if she had granted the application, then it will set a bad precedence where any individual fearing any imminent arrest can go and lodge an agent application.
Yeah, it is a big, big moment. I know that, and you were there listening to the NPA's Nosiviwe, stress that people who are trying to bring in the notion of politics, or that there would be some other angle to this, aside from a pure legal and criminal case matter, were kind of being mischievous. I want you to maybe just share with us, what was the reaction of her legal counsel in court today? Judging by, and the judge kind of invoked that as well, this concept of the emotive language that was used in her application, talking about her reputation and her standing in society and so on. There'd be some harm and some damage caused in that case. Of course, talking about the state having a weak case and insisting that this was an urgent matter. They kind of, went into court guns blazing, left almost with a whimper today. What was their reaction, just based on what you could gauge?
Indeed, the reaction from the Speaker's legal team, they were just listening to the proceedings, listening to the judge handing down the judgment. When we tried to speak to them as they were leaving, they did not want to comment. So it's unclear whether they expected this judgment or they expected the application to be successful. I'm sure they are going to go back and engage with the Speaker right now and see what they can do, because she still has that legal recourse of basically challenging this judgment today. So she might go ahead and challenge this judgment, or she might present herself to the police station and basically write that warning statement and be processed so that she can appear before the Pretoria Magistrates Court to basically answer to those 12 charges that she is accused of.
All right, Juniour Khumalo, thank you very much. So there are the outcomes then of the Pretoria High Court in the matter involving the Speaker. So let's